Helicopter. Helicopter. Vertical takeoff aircraft with rotating blades for versatile maneuvers. Airplane. Airplane. Fixed-wing craft designed for sustained, powered flight with various sizes and purposes. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Inflated envelope filled with hot air, providing serene, slow flight experiences. Airship Zeppelin. Airship Zeppelin. Gas-filled, rigid structure for leisurely, controlled aerial travel. Paragliding. Paragliding. Non-motorized glider using parachute-like wings for soaring through the air. Paramotor. Paramotor. Personal motorized paraglider allowing powered, recreational flight. Cableway. Cableway. Aerial transport system using cable-supported cabins for elevated transportation. Glider. Glider. Unpowered aircraft designed for soaring and gliding without an engine. Drone. Drone. Unmanned aerial vehicle controlled remotely, employed for diverse applications. Paraglider. Paraglider. Canopy wing allowing gliding through the air while harnessed. Hang glider. Hang glider. Non-motorized glider with a suspended harness for free-flying experiences. Jetpack. Jetpack. Personal propulsion device for vertical takeoff and brief powered flight. Rocket. Rocket. Propelled vehicle expelling exhaust for thrust, crucial in space exploration and high-speed propulsion.